Welcome to the AI Image Creators Workshop. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create photos using AI. By the end of this video, you're going to learn how to create your own Christmas photo shoot, birthday shoots, graduation. You are going to learn the best free AI tools that you can use, why you should use them, the best prompting secrets that AI pros use to create outstanding pictures. I'm telling you, get a pen and a paper because it is a masterclass. Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Teddy Banks. I'm passionate about sharing my experience about various things that have helped me to become the best version of myself. So there is nothing that I share on this platform that I haven't qualified and used in my own life. I've been using AI for the longest time, not just in my content creation, but in creating stunning pictures like this, this, that. I can go anywhere with AI because literally AI helps me to put my wildest imaginations into images. And today I want to do the same for you. So this is quite a long video, but I promise you it's worthwhile. You don't have to be an AI pro to start creating images. You don't need to have any experiences with any AI tool. You don't have to be a techie. Everything that I'm going to share in this video is very easy peasy. And by the end of the day, you're going to be able to create any picture that you want. So without any further ado, let's go straight in. The tools that we are going to use today, they are two. One is Gemini and the other is ChatGPT. Why? Because they have free tiers which are very good and they can be easily used. They are not complicated in any manner compared to other AI tools that I see out there. Gemini is available on your Google account. That part where you have Gmail, that is where you can find Gemini, especially on your laptop. If you don't have it on your laptop, you can just go still on your phone and type in Gemini. You'll see the options. ChatGPT, you can download it on your phone or on your laptop as well. So if you don't have it right now, I would recommend that you pause this video, go download these applications. They are free of charge, then come back and proceed with the video. So one of the things that I want to make sure that you get from this video is how to tell AI to do exactly how you have that image in your imaginations. AI is simply a tool. Literally, it's a robot. What you tell it is what it's going to do. So if you don't explain everything that you want AI to do, it's not going to do it. In fact, it will just create something randomly. So in this video, I'm going to teach you the prompts that you need to give AI to give you the perfect image that you see other creators create. And yeah, I promise you it's gonna be fun. I'm warning you, it's very addictive. When you create stunning pictures, you just want to keep on creating and creating and creating. And it's fun, honestly. And if you have watched this video until the end, I'm gonna give you a gift. I'm going to give you prompts that you can use to create AI images in your free time. Yes, I'm generous like that. So I'm going to link a sheet in the description. You just have to fill in the information and I will share the gift with you. Isn't that kind and sweet of me? Anywho, if you haven't yet liked this video or subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and do, because on this channel you're going to learn so much about different things that are going to make your life better. So let's get to the fun part. I want us to do a sample image. Go to Gemini or ChatGPT, whatever you prefer, and put this prompt in the prompt box. Create a happy blue cat wearing sunglasses. Just the way I have said that word. Create a happy blue cat wearing sunglasses. So you're going to give it a few seconds and it's going to create a happy cat. And if it has created it, clearly your tool is working and it can create any image. Congratulations! Disclaimer: I have realized that Gemini creates perfect pictures better than any other AI tool that I have used. However, I have noticed that ChatGPT is perfect at generating prompts, as we are about to see towards the end of the video, because it's very important. So I would say you need both ChatGPT and Gemini. Gemini being the best at creating pictures and ChatGPT being the best at creating prompts. Two of them make a perfect match. Do you get me? This is a masterclass and I really hope you're taking notes. By the way, if you are enjoying this video so far, or if you have any questions, please feel free to put them down in the comment section, because I cannot wait to read them through and to help you with any concerns that you have. So I believe by now you have already created the image, the happy blue cat. And if you have, wouldn't it be awesome if you shared that picture here in the comment section, so that people who are going to come after you to watch this video can see the cat that you created? Or probably it will even help the algorithm to push this video to so many other people who could be interested in learning how to create images with AI, helping me to grow the channel and at the same time helping other people get access to this very valuable video. So depending on the image that you want to create, you have to be sure and clear with AI about the aspect ratio that you want to create. Now, you might not know all these things of 9.16, which is Instagram and TikTok, but you can tell AI that I'm creating this video for Instagram, create an image for Facebook, create an image for YouTube, because different platforms have different aspect ratios. That being said, and I trust that you already have the card, let's go to another example where we are going to use your own picture. Using the prompts that I'm going to share, you are starting to create stunning images. Isn't that interesting? Let me read the script, the prompt for you that you're going to use. Like I told you at the beginning of the video, you're going to need a clear photo of yourself that you are going to be using every single time you log into AI to create an image. Using the same image of yourself helps AI to understand your facial details. So it gets familiar with your facial details, that to the extent that it will create a picture the same way as you look yourself in the mirror. Difference is that this is, of course, you have makeup, you have new clothes on, you're in Vegas, things like that. But you know, it makes you the best version of yourself. So here is the prompt that we're going to use. Using the attached image and keeping the exact face and skin tone unchanged, create a photo of a stunning graduate. Poses confidently in her black cape and a gown adorned with a pink stole, framing a beautifully made up face with defined eyes and glossy lips, wearing a gold watch on left wrist and her arms are crossed. The background is a smooth dark gray, putting all focus on the graduate. The light is soft and professional, highlighting her features. and the texture of her academic regalia. Make sure the image is in 100% resemblance of the image provided. Avoid errors. Now, like I said, you have to be very, very specific about the prompts you give AI, because what you feed it is what it's going to give you in return. So if you want a watch that is gold, you have to tell it, I need a gold watch. If you want the gown to be yellow, you're going to tell it a yellow gown. You need to learn how to be creative. Yes, I have shared this prompt, but you can adjust it to what you want it to be. And I believe that after a couple of examples, like two, you're gonna be able to create your own prompts depending on your own creativity and what you want AI to create for you. All right. So I'm excited to see the image that you have created. And if you have, please share in the comment section so that other people who are going to come and watch the video after you can be inspired to also create images as stunning as yours. And also, it's going to help me. The algorithm is going to push this video to so many other people who could be interested in learning how to create images using AI the same way that you are doing. Let's have another example. Being Christmas, I understand how important it is for you to create a family photo shoot. Maybe in Dubai, Vegas, New York, Kampala, Uganda, Nigeria, Lagos, whatever you want. Remember AI, whatever you tell it, it's what it does. It is such an obedient slave. So let's create a Christmas photo shoot for your family, probably a family of 2 or 3 or 5, whatsoever, whatever you want. So create this first, and when you are done, I want you to create your own prompts depending on where you want this image to be created. Okay? Here's how the prompt reads. Without changing the facial features, hair, color, size of the people in the photo provided, create a professional family Christmas photo shoot with 100% resemblances of all the people in the picture provided, posing in the streets of New York. If you want Dubai, posing in the streets of Dubai. Provide a suitable winter outfit for every one of them. Create a Christmas mood with a view of snow. Okay? Like I said, whatever you tell AI when you are creating an image, it's what it's going to do. If you say with a view of snow, that's what it's going to give you. With a view of the city, that's what it's going to give you. With a view of the mountain, it's what it's going to give you. So I want you to use your imaginations to create exactly what you want. And if you have created this picture, can you be kind enough to share that image in the comment section so that other people can see how amazing you are at creating AI images, and so that I can be happy to see that, oh my God, I'm such a great teacher. Finally, I want to teach you how to get prompts out of an image and then use those prompts to create your own image. For example, you've been scrolling on Pinterest, you see a picture that you like, an outfit that is giving, and you're like, I like it, but you don't have money to buy it. What do? You go to your AI studio to create the magic. How do you create the magic? Remember, as I said in the beginning of the video, ChatGPT is the best when it comes to turning images into prompts. However, when you are done turning your image into prompts, go back to Gemini Paste the prompts, attach your own image, and then click on the arrow. The magic is gonna be done. Easy peasy. I'm gonna repeat. If you see a picture that you love, a picture that you're interested in, download the picture, go to ChatGPT, insert the picture in ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT generate the best prompt that perfectly describes this picture. ChatGPT is going to generate the prompt. Copy the prompt, paste it in Gemini, and attach your picture, your image, the image of yourself. And when you click on the arrow, it's going to create your face in exactly the way of the picture that you have downloaded. Let me know in the comment section if you're getting this. And if you're confused still, I would love to clarify this. I want you to get this right. Okay? So yeah, basically that's it. Easy peasy. You can always create pictures out of text and you can always create pictures out of pictures. These are one things that you need to note when it comes to creating images with AI. Sometimes you might use the same prompts but get different results. This is because of the seed. Sometimes if you are a new user of AI, you might not get perfect results as somebody has been using AI for the long time. And that is the reason as to why you need to keep on practicing with AI in order for you to eventually create stunning images. And now that we are in the festive season, I would advise you to practice as many times as possible to create images for Christmas. Gone are the days when we were posting fake pictures. Gone are the days when we were going to studios, spending our money to get pictures, spending money on clothes. Now you don't have to do all that. You can do the magic using your phone right now. I really hope you found value in this video, and if you have, kindly share in the comment section. Be kind enough to share this video with a friend who could be interested. Finally, always note that whenever you are creating an AI image, start with a new chat. Okay? When you have created images, don't go down in the chart where you've been creating images, but always start with a new chart. It will help you to create better pictures. Those are tricks that AI pros use to create stunning images. They command AI exactly what they want. They command AI exactly what they do not want, like the prompts that we've been doing. Avoid errors. I have noticed that AI creates errors, especially on the fingers. So you have to tell it, you have to command it. Avoid errors, especially on the fingernails. So I really hope this video helps you. And if you have watched till this far, I trust that you are now an AI pro. And I would love that when you post an AI image, you would just mention my name to come and check it out, because it will give me courage to create more of these videos. So thanks for watching this far, and I really hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now. Please don't forget to get your free gift. Don't forget to get your free gift of the prompts that you can use in your free time. Just click in the link in the description, fill in a few details, your email address, and have fun. Merry Christmas.